timestamp is Tuesday, January 1st, 12:38 p.m. and we are on our way to Richmond, Indiana to iHop to get breakfast. Thank you. Timestamp 2:53. We are headed to iHop now. So we've made it to iHop and we have all you need pancakes. So that'll be a good thing. It's 3:01. We've actually sat down. We haven't ordered yet, but we are sitting. We ordered the $8.99 combo. Comes with double bacon, so that's 6 pieces of bacon. All you can eat pancakes. Comes with scrambled eggs and hash browns as well. For $8.99, which is still way cheaper than I used at home for the $13, $14 in ingredients to buy everything to make it home. And so here's my food. Let's see. I might have to flip the camera around. Chose 3 pieces of bacon, scrambled eggs, pancakes. The pancakes are all you can eat pancakes. You flip the camera around. My food. I flip the camera around. So 3 pieces of bacon, toast, eggs, and pancakes. So now I'm going to eat. Timestamp is 3:20. She didn't put it all on 2 different checks, but mine is right here, the $8.99 one. Ultimate plate comes with 6 pieces of bacon, hash browns light, pancakes, all you can eat, and toast and eggs, scrambled eggs. What was $8.99? I'll have to see. I know it's way cheaper and easier for me to eat at this restaurant as opposed to making it at home. 3:44. I can't see it on here. 3:44. We are leaving iHop and we are headed home. Alright, this is for my 3rd meal. It is timestamp of 10:30 a.m. I am going to go to break at my work. So I'm going to go to break and I am going to go upstairs to Pulley Diner and order my food. Okay, I'm at Pulley's and I'm going to order food. Okay, so I ordered 2 eggs, scrambled bacon, white toast, and I ordered pancakes and it came to $10.77. So my order was placed at 10:30. 2 eggs, scrambled bacon, white toast, pancakes. Total $10.77. Campus meal plan of $8.25. And then payroll deductive $2.52. It's still total $10.77, regardless. So they made these. It could have been smaller.
Checking the tape.
They equal the same amount of actually less than the full amount that I would have gotten. I won't eat all this either. Okay, so timestamp is 11:02, and I ate almost all my food and a lot of the pancakes, a lot more than I thought. They were actually really good. I don't like the syrup so much, but